Hello students, I am Abdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the first chapter of Political Science of class 9th. The title of the chapter is What is Democracy? Why Democracy? In the previous video, we have discussed about the need of defining democracy, simple definition of democracy, and features of democracy. In this video, we are going to discuss the second feature, that is free and fair electoral competition, etc. Free and fair electoral competition. At first, we discuss about the case of China and then case of Mexico. The member of China's parliament called National People's Congress. The members are elected by the people after every 5 years. The National People's Congress has the power to appoint the president of the country and some members elected by the army. Before contesting elections, a candidate needs the approval of the Chinese Communist Party. Only its members or members of 8 parties allied to it are allowed to contest in the election. Thus, the government is always formed by the Communist Party. Now, case of Mexico. Mexico became independent in 1930. It holds elections after every 6 years to elect its president. Mexico has never been under military or dictator's rule. Till 2000, all the presidential elections were won by the PRI, that is, Institutional Revolutionary Party, as they employed many corrupt practices and ethical means to win the election every time. In both the cases of China and Mexico, it doesn't appear that the elections have been held properly. Holding election of any kind is not sufficient. Thus, another feature of democracy is that a democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. Now, the third feature of democracy, the choice and opportunity is available to all the people on an equal basis. One person, one vote, and one value. That is universal adult franchisee. The principle of universal adult franchisee is accepted by almost all over the world. But there are many instances of denial of equal right to vote. First, in Saudi Arabia, women do not have the right to vote till 2015. Estonia has made its citizenship rule in such a way that people belonging to a Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. Third, in Fiji, the electoral system is such that the vote of an indigenous Fijian has more value than that of an Indian Fijian. Democracy is based on a fundamental principle of political equality. This gives us the third feature of democracy. It means in a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. Now, the fourth feature of democracy, the exercise of the choice leads to a government limited by basic rules of the constitution and citizens' right. And we discuss about the case of Zimbabwe that gives us this feature. Zimbabwe attained independence from white minority rule in 1980. From then onwards, the country has been ruled by a party, ZANU PF, which led the freedom struggle. The party leader Robert Mugabe has been the president of the country since independence. Elections are always won by this party through violence and harassment of the opposition politicians, workers, and journalists. Protests against the president were illegal, and the government does not heed court judgment which went against it. Thus, there is no rule of law and citizens' rights are not respected. Recently, Robert Mugabe was thrown out of the power after 37 years and Emerson Mnangagwa became the new president. The state should respect the basic rights of citizens like freedom of expression, freedom of protest, and freedom to take political action. Further, these rights should be protected by the judiciary, whose order should be obeyed by all. Thus, another feature of democracy is that a democratic government rules within limits set by constitutional law and citizens' right. In the next video, we will discuss about merits and demerits of democracy.